Today we got the Yeti Roadie 60 wheeled cooler divider review. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you. All right, kids, it's time. Master Unboxer Guy. Yet another Yeti accessory came. Appreciate all the watches, likes, and follows so far. Today, we are unboxing an accessory that I am, not gonna lie, pretty excited about. I've got 3 kids, and we do coolers here in the community, and we always want to have our drinks and kids snacks and kids drinks, but it's just be nice to have this divider. So this is the Yeti Roadie wheeled cooler divider. Splits the cooler down the middle so the brisket never bothers the beer. They also say it's a cutting board. It's got some built-in channels here, which I like. I have a cutting board like that has channels like that. This side is raised edges, so this will hold the juice in. This will pull the juice to the rail so you're not making a mess if you're cutting limes or meat or anything like that. So I'm gonna unlatch and open this cooler, show you how the divider slides into the cooler. This is a one-size-fits-all divider. They do have this is the Yeti 60 wheeled cooler. Obviously they also have, I believe, the 48. So see how it slides in. It looks like it's actually fits pretty good, but you can see that there is space here for liquid transfer, actually on both sides. So I'd imagine, you put ice, put any liquid in here, it's gonna get from one side to the other. I do wanna put in a big block, the large Yeti ice block, so you can see what type of Yeti ice configuration you can put on either side, so stand by for that. All right, so we're back with the Yeti Roadie wheeled cooler. The way they do this divider is just perfect. You can fit this 4-pound Yeti ice on one side, fit another one. They fit just almost perfect, especially against this ridge. They move a little bit here on one side. I want to, you guys know, you saw the nugget ice maker. I do bag it and leave it in the fridge, so I'm gonna dump it in to one side of the divider. We'll see how the ice stays separated with the divider. Now, obviously, I expect some ice to go over to the other side, especially because it's nugget ice. But it is nice, it keeps most of the ice on one side. Obviously, as the ice melts down, and becomes water, it'll obviously seep over to the other side, but actually better than expected dividing of ice and no ice on the other side. So I'm excited about this. Obviously, like I said, adult beverages on one side, kid beverages and snacks on the other. Should make for a pretty nice and fun pool day.